Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing fine. This easy and delicious cake can be prepared at home without oven or an electric beater. Take 2 packets of Bourbon Biscuits. Break the biscuits into small pieces. Put the pieces into a plastic bag and crush with the help of roller. You can also crush the biscuits in a mixer jar. Sift the biscuit powder into a bowl. We have a fine biscuit powder ready. We require a soft batter, so we will pour milk and mix. Continue stirring with a whisk by adding milk as required. Batter looks soft and smooth. Add 1 sachet of fruit salt. Works as a rising agent. Pour some milk to activate the fruit salt powder. Whisk the batter speedily. Pour the batter in a pre-greased cake mold upon butter paper. Spread the batter in the cake mold by spatula. Tap the mold gently to set and remove air from the batter. Place the mold in a preheated pot and bake for 40 minutes on low heat. Check the cake by inserting a toothpick returning clear. Take out the cake mold and put on rack to let it cool. Take out the cake from the mold with help of a plate. Cake looks perfectly baked. Cut from middle and divide into 2 parts. Apply sugar syrup inside of 1 part. Apply a layer of whipping cream on it. Rich and heavy whipping cream has a luxurious texture that can make any dish or a dessert more indulgent. Spread and set the whipping cream with help of a knife. Portion of cake upon the bottom portion. For glazing the cake, let us make a chocolate garnish. Melt 3 Cadbury Dairy Milk chocolate by double boiler method. Mix properly by a whisk. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons hot full fat milk. Put the cake on rack and pour the chocolate garnish evenly over the top until desired coverage is reached. Put in refrigerator. Let us take digestive biscuits for making decoration. Make a biscuit powder and add milk as required to make a dough. Dough is ready. Divide the dough into 2 portions and a few drops of red food color and green food color separately. Need to make the soft dough. 2 beautiful colored dough are ready. Make red flower shapes with help of silicone mold. And make green leaves shapes. Beautiful flowers and leaves are ready for decoration. Place flowers, leaves and kisses chocolate and sugar bowls to decorate the cake. Decorate the cake by spreading biscuit powder on border. Cake looks beautiful surprise your lovely family. The different layers of cake looks beautiful. It is simple and easy recipe and can be made by only few ingredients. It is soft, spongy and moist and melts in my mouth. Do try it at home. Please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.